Jesus waits for your answer today. Reflect on it and build a strong bond between you and the Lord. My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, when we are asked by someone trustworthy person about the identity of the one with whom we live or have close association, maybe our companion or colleague or family member or relative, we find it quite easy to tell them how the person is, how he behaves with others, and the whole identity of the person might be told as their requirement. The identity of a person could be known with personal experience or by listening to others. In today's gospel passage, Jesus asks his disciples, "Who do people say that the Son of Man is?" Disciples were with him for a quite long time. They experienced Jesus. They experienced what he says, what he does. They even know how people call him, how they recognize him. Many people had recognized Jesus as one of the prophets. Disciples were quick to answer this first question of Jesus, where they were not involved personally to tell his identity. After getting the answer to the previous question, now Jesus asks them another question. "Who do you say that I am?" There was silence. Now they began to think what to answer. Jesus asked them a personal question. Now some must be thinking to choose from what others already identified Jesus as. Some must be waiting for others' answers to copy. As they were looking at each other, Simon Peter answers. He reveals Jesus' identity to all who were gathered there by saying, "You are the Christ, Son of the living God." All these disciples were with Jesus. They had experienced Jesus closely. These disciples witnessed various miracles of Jesus, but all of them could not identify who Jesus was to them. However, Peter identifies Jesus rightly. This answer was right, not because he was intellectual. We know Peter was a fisherman and they were traditionally uneducated, but would have had ample wits and survival skills acquired by working hard and braving the seas and fish markets. Fishermen were men of action, very physical and unafraid of others. Now Peter identifies who Jesus is, not by his own understanding, but God the Father himself revealed it to him, says Jesus. My dear friends, we may know who Jesus is by our intellectual knowledge, by reading books by various authors, or by listening to someone's experience. But Jesus looks for the answer from our heart. Who do you say that I am? With your experience with me, He is asking each one of us. He wants our personal response. Other disciples said what others tell about Jesus, but Jesus was not happy with their answer. Peter expressed his experience, what God the Father revealed to him. We may be following Jesus from our birth or for many years, but we have not identified who Jesus is for me, who God is for me. The answer which you have for Jesus in your heart is important. Based on this answer which you have, the relationship between you and Jesus can be counted. Jesus waits for your answer today. Reflect on it and build a strong bond between you and the Lord. Amen.